Hello everyone, welcome to your short tutorial on long-form auction with Palmstreet. Long-form auctions are a powerful new selling format on Palmstreet Marketplace. Some key points to keep in mind. Long-form auctions can run for 1 to 3 days. They must start at $100 or more for each auction item. These are ideal for rare, collective, and luxury goods if you want to keep that in mind. And rest assured, all bidders will complete a pre-authorization step before placing a bid, which will help make sure your bidders are serious about their bids and will reduce any friction. How to create a long-form auction listing. First, you'll go to the Shop tab in the Palmstreet app. Next, you're going to tap the plus button and select Auction. Then enter your item details. Be sure to include clear photos and detailed descriptions of each of your items. That's very important. Next, you want to choose the duration for your auction. You may select 24, 48, or 72 hours. Also, be sure to have that starting bid of at least $100. Now let's finish and manage the listing. After you've created your auction, use the three-dot menu to edit any details. Then you can tap the share icon to promote your auction via social media or direct messaging. Some more key points to keep in mind. If you need to make edits or even delete your auction, make sure you do this before any bids have been placed. Once bidding begins, you won't be able to edit the duration of your auction or your starting bid, and you won't be able to delete it. You can track your bids in real time from the auction details page. You can monitor bidder history, current bidding price, and time remaining in your long-form auction. To view all of your long-form auctions, go to your Profile tab, tap View, and you'll be able to see all the active and completed auctions. You can even sort them by status if you need to. We hope you are as excited as we are about this new feature. Thank you so much for watching. And if you need more information or a quick review, scan this QR code, which will take you directly to our blog article on long-form auctions. See you next time.